Okay, welcome to part 2 of our little science recap for the chapter so far. I just want to talk about some characteristics about the inner and outer planets. The inner planets, again, remember, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are dense and rocky. They have thin atmospheres. They have small diameters. They're smaller planets compared to the outer planets. They do have large solid cores. Cores are like at the center of the planet. They have few moons, and they do have shorter revolution times, meaning it takes less time for them to orbit or revolve around the sun. The outer planets, on the other hand, back to the inner planets. They're also known sometimes as terrestrial planets. The outer planets have other names as well, and that they are called sometimes Jovian planets or gas giants. Our outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are farthest from the sun, and because of that, they take longer to revolve or orbit around the sun. They are huge. They don't have solid surfaces because they're mostly made up of gases. Their cores or their centers or middles are very small. Their surfaces are much colder than the inner planets since they are so much further away from the sun, and they do have many moons or rings. Now, I do want to take an extra second to specifically talk about the Earth now and why the Earth has a 24-hour day. The reason is it takes the Earth 24 hours to rotate or turn on its axis. And that's why we have day and night, because half the Earth is facing the sun for half the time. So when one side of the Earth is facing the sun and has day, the opposite side has night. And now the Earth revolves or orbits around the sun in 365 days, or technically it's 365 and 1/4 days. That's why we have leap year every 4 years, is to make up for that, since it's 365 and 1/4. So I just want to make sure that's nice and clear one more time about revolves and rotates. Revolves is going around or orbiting around, like the Earth orbits around the sun. And rotates is like spinning. So the Earth spins or rotates it takes 24 hours. It does it once every 24 hours. And the Earth revolves or orbits around the sun. It takes 1 year, 365 and 1/4 days. All right. Looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.